हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल किड्स सॉल्यूशन। तो आज हम देखेंगे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू फॉर एसएससी आरआई एग्जाम। तो प्लीज़ मेरे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। तो फिर चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 इज एन ओओपी प्रिंसिपल। ऑप्शन ए स्ट्रक्चरल प्रोग्रामिंग, ऑप्शन बी प्रोसीजरल प्रोग्रामिंग, ऑप्शन सी इनहेरिटेंस, ऑप्शन डी लिंकिंग। तो 19 नंबर आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी इनहेरिटेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 COBOL is widely used in application as a commercial, B scientific, C space, D mathematical. So 92 number answer is option A commercial. नेक्स्ट देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 RAM स्टैंड्स फॉर ऑप्शन ए रैंडम ओरिजिन मेमोरी, ऑप्शन बी रैंडम ओनली मेमोरी, ऑप्शन सी रीड ओनली मेमोरी, ऑप्शन डी रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। सो 19 नंबर आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 94 1 बाइट इज इक्वल टू ऑप्शन ए 8 बिट्स, ऑप्शन बी 4 बिट्स, ऑप्शन सी 2 बिट्स, ऑप्शन डी 9 बिट्स। So question number 94 answer is option A 8 bits. Question number 95 SMPS stands for option A switched mode power supply, option B start mode power supply, option C store mode power supply, option D single mode power supply. So question number 95 answer is option A switched mode power supply. Question number 96 the device used to carry digital data on analog lines is called as option A modem, option B multiplexer, option D modulator, option D demodulator. So 96 number answer is option A modem. Question number 97 VDU is also called option A screen, option B monitor, option C both 1 and 2, option D printer. So 97 number answer is option C both 1 and 2. Question number 98 BIOS stands for option A basic input output system, option B binary input output system, option C basic input out system, and option D all of the above. So 98 number answer is option A basic input output system. Question number 99 father of C programming language, option A Dennis Ritchie, option B Prof. John Kinley, option C Thomas Courage, option D Bill Gates. So 99 number answer is option A Dennis Ritchie. Question number 100 the instructions that tell a computer how to carry out the processing tasks are referred to as computer days. So option A programs, option B processors, option C input device, option D memory modules. So question number 100 answer is option A programs. Question number 101 an area of a computer that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed is this. Option A CPU, option B memory, option C storage, option D file. So 101 answer is option B memory. 102 question is dash is the key to close a selected drop down list, cancel a command and close a dialog box. Option A tab, option B shift, option C ESC, option D F10. So question number 102 answer is option C ESC. Question number 103 dash is the key we use to run the selected command. Option A shift, option B tab, option C enter, option D control. So question number 103 answer is option C enter. Question number 104 dash is the functional key to display save as box. Option A F5, option B F6, option C F9, option D F12. So question number 104 answer is option D, F12. Question number 105, data becomes dash when it is present in a format that people can understand and use. Option A, processed. Option B, graphs. Option C, information. Option D, presentation. So question number 105 answer is option C, information. Question number 106, the term dash designates equipment that might be added to a computer system to enhance its functionality. So option A is digital device, option B is system add-on, option C disk-spec, option D peripheral device. So question number 106 answer is option D, peripheral device. Question number 107, a DAS is a microprocessor based computing device. Option A, personal computer, option B, mainframe, option C, workstation, option D, server. So question number 107 answer is option A, personal computer. Question number 108, RAM can be treated as the DAS for the computer's processor. Option A, factory, option B, operating room, option C, waiting room, option D, planning room. So question number 108 answer is option C, waiting room. Question number 109, which of the following are the function of operating system? Option A, allocates resource, option B, monitors activities, option C, manages disk and files, and option D, all of the above. So question number 109 answer is all of the above. Question number 110, to move a copy of a file from one computer to another over a communication channel is called. Option A, file transfer, option B, file encryption, option C, file modification, option D, file copying. So question number 110 answer is option A, file transfer. Question number 111, the primary function of the DAS is to set up and the hardware and load and start an operating system. Option A, system programs, option B, BIOS, option C, CPU, option D, memory. So question number 111 answer is option B, BIOS. Question number 112, what kind of memory is both static and non-volatile? Option A, RAM, option B, ROM, option C, BIOS, option D, CACHE, cache. So question number 112 answer is option B, ROM. Question number 113, DAS is computer software designed to operate the computer hardware and to provide platform for running application software. So option A, application software, option B, system software, option C, software, option D, operating system. So 113 answer is option B, system software. Question number 114, the DAS is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage medium to the computer per second. Option A, data migration rate, option B, data digitizing rate, option C, data transfer rate, option D, data access rate. So question number 114 answer is option C, data transfer rate. Question number 115, a device which is not connected to CPU is called as DAS. Option A, landline device, option B, online device, option C, offline device, option D, device. So question number 115 answer is option C, offline device. Question number 116, what is the other name for program chip? Option A, RAM, option B, ROM, option C, SIC, option D, PROM. So question number 116 answer is option C, LSIC. Question number 117. Online real-time system becomes popular in this generation. Option A first generation, option B second generation, option C third generation, option D fourth generation. So question number 117 answer is option C third generation. Question number 118. You use an dash such a keyboard or mouse to input information. Option A output device, option B input device, option C storage device, option D processing device. So question number 118 answer is option B input device. Question number 119. Dash is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. Option A sequential access, option B random access, option C quick access, option D all of the above. So question number 119 is answer is option B random access. Question number 120. Dash provides process and memory management service that allow two or more tasks, jobs or programs to run simultaneously. So option A multitasking, option B multi-threading, option C multiprocessing, option D multi-computing. So 120 number answer is option A multitasking. तो आपको अगर मेरे चैनल को लाइक करना है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए और मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिए। थैंक यू।